Hi, welcome back to our channel, and today I will show you how to clear all likes on X. So currently X does not offer a built-in option to remove all likes at once, and the only option how you can remove that is by removing them manually one by one. So tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and go to your profile. And as you can see, your profile is divided into several sections right here, and you want to go to specifically likes tab, and this is the page where you will see every single post that you have ever liked, and basically find a post that you have liked and you want to remove it from your likes tab, and tap the heart icon to unlike this post. But for example, if you want a faster method how you can do that, there are third-party services that can remove multiple likes at once. However, these services usually require a subscription or some kind of payment, and you should be cautious when you give them access to your account. So the safest option will be, of course, to manually unlike posts. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.